Hello, everyone at the Irish Cultural Centre and all the wonderful people that come to the place in Hammersmith that we all love and know so well. I'm looking forward to seeing you all. It's been a very tough year for us all, so there's no change of that for me. But I've actually had a good year, time to reflect. I've been living out in the country. I've been doing a lot of upholstery. I've started my own business doing reupholstery, following in my dad's footsteps, which I'm very proud to do. So I will definitely be coming back to music, but for the time being, I'm really heads down, learning how to put staples into wood. So do feel free to drop me a message if you have any upholstery, by the way. That would be absolutely fine. So I'll leave you here. I've left you with a couple of tracks. I do apologise. I haven't been able to actually film anything for anyone at the moment because things are all a bit hectic here. But I've got a couple of videos for you to have a look at, which I did with Matt Tighe, the fantastic fiddle player that I was meant to be releasing an album with this last year. But sadly, owing to the obvious circumstances around the world, that couldn't happen. So the first one is a song by Neil Young, which is Don't Let It Bring You Down. And the second is a set of tunes that myself and Matt co-wrote. I won't tell you the names of them right now because I can't remember. But the set of tunes is called Ali Pali because at the time when we wrote these tunes, I was living up in Alexandra Palace. So hope you enjoy them. And remember, if you're looking for something to do in lockdown, we won't be in it for long, but if you're looking to learn an instrument, do get in touch with us. We've got Bodhran and guitar for myself, but we've got some fantastic tutors for the other instruments and whatnot and all that sort of thing. So do get in touch with the Irish Cultural Centre if you fancy getting involved with the centre as we galvanise ourselves and get ready for opening at some point, hopefully, later this year, and I will be looking forward to seeing you all there for a pint up at the bar and a tune down in the session. So happy St. Patrick's Day, folks, and I will see you very soon. Man lying by the side of the road with the lorries rolling by, blue moon sinking from the weight of the load and the buildings scrape the sky, cold wind ripping down the alley at dawn and the morning paper flies, dead man lying by the side of the road with the daylight in his eyes. Don't let it bring you down, it's only castles burning. Find someone who's turning and you will come around. Man running through the light of the night with an answer in his hand. Come on down to the river of sight and you can really understand. Red lights flashing through the window in the rain. Can you hear the sirens moan? White cane lying in a gutter in the lane. If you're walking home alone, don't let it bring you down, it's only castles burning. Find someone who's turning and you will come around.
bring you down. It's only castles burning. Find someone who's turning, and you will come around. Don't let them bring you down. It's only castles burning. Find someone who's turning.